How to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. If your archive stories option is not showing, archive stories simply means all of the past stories that were automatically expired which has been sent to your archive tab. So to find it, you can tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and go to archive. And sometimes you could be on post archive, that's why you're not seeing a story archive. So if you've seen your post archive and you're not seeing your stories archive, then in that case tap on this drop down menu from the top and select stories archive. But if this itself is not loading, there could be a couple of things that could happen. First off, if you're using Android, long press the Instagram app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to app info page, go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, check if the app has an update available, and if it does, then do make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. And hopefully after doing this, you will be able to re-log in and re-find your archive stories folder. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.